Hi everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. Chitra here. In this video, we will be making a grain-free lunch menu. We will be making tray-baked sweet potatoes, a potato salad, one pot quinoa dish, and serve it with mango lassi. Let's begin. I'm not the one who meal preps or plans for the week. I cook depending on what is there in my storage and what is in my fridge. I had these sweet potatoes with me since some time and it was time to use them. We will be doing a tray bake in the oven without much oil or anything, but just a few spices. First, peel the sweet potatoes and cut them into even strips and soak them in the water, because once you start chopping and peeling, they do turn brown. So to avoid that, I'm going to be soaking it into water till I'm finished with everything. Then drain out the water and dry the potatoes in a kitchen towel. Add about 1 tablespoon of Himalaya pink salt, then add in 1 teaspoon or so of Hungarian paprika powder, then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and you could also add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it thoroughly and then add in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. On this day, I added sunflower high oleic oil because I didn't have coconut oil, but generally I add coconut oil. You can add some other oil of your choice. Place them on a baking tray lined with a baking sheet so that this is easier to clean afterwards. Place them a little bit apart and then bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees fan for about 15 to 20 minutes. Check it in between. If it is starting to brown, turn the sweet potatoes to the other side and bake it. Next, we will be making a potato salad. For this, I will be using the Charlotte variety of potatoes. This is sturdy variety and it doesn't get mushy while cooking. Peel the potato and then cut them into thin slices. Soak it immediately in water to avoid the darkening of the potatoes. Once you have sliced all the potatoes, cook the potatoes in a pot with a little bit of water. Cook them until they are soft and that you can poke into it with a fork. Cool the potatoes and drain it and set it aside. Once the potatoes are cooled, add half a teaspoon of black Himalaya salt, a teaspoon of pink Himalaya salt, a teaspoon of dried dill, then crush some black pepper, and you can also add about half a teaspoon of coconut sugar and add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and about 4 tablespoons of yogurt or sour cream. Mix it and set it aside. Next, we will make the mango lassi. For the mango lassi, you will need freshly cut ripe mango and add 2 cups of homemade yogurt. Beat it together in an immersion blender. You can also add a teaspoon or so of coconut sugar to make it sweeter. We will get on with the next dish, and that is the 1-pot quinoa dish. Wash and drain 1 cup of quinoa and set it aside, and then add 1 teaspoon of ghee, and then add for the seasoning add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida and 1 green chili cut into half. Fry it shortly and then add in 1 chopped tomatoes to it and add double the quantity of water of quinoa. Bring the water to a rolling boil and then add in the quinoa. At this stage, add about a teaspoon of salt. Close the pot and then cook it for about 15 minutes under low to medium heat. You can also add in a teaspoon or so of cilantro leaves at the end of the cooking. It's time to plate up everything. This is the potato salad, and then I will serve this with sweet potatoes and the quinoa dish. And for the drink, it is mango lassi. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post 1 new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. See you in my next video. Bye bye.